Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the video. Cebu to Siargao only 45 minutes quick flight. Even though it was a cloudy and rainy day, that was a great landing. Siargao airport was quite small and beautiful. And the weather was very bad. That's okay. We are not staying over here. My hotel accommodation in General Luna, which is located 30 kilometers away from this airport. They have a very small arrival area. This airport has a couple of ATM. Airport to General Luna, it takes 45 minutes drive. General Luna town, it is a main tourist spot hub. From there you can do your tour arrangements. I stayed at Tropical Temple Hotel. When I reached the hotel, it was a partially cloudy day, so I decided to go Cloud9 surfing area. My hotel to Cloud9 only 2 kilometers. If you ride a tricycle, it's only 5 minutes and it costs you only 30 pesos. Okay, back in Cloud9 again. At least today I have sunlight. I hope tomorrow we have sunlight so we can go for the island hopping. Hopefully. This is my second time. Now we get clear sky. Getting clear sky now. The entrance fees for the boardwalk is 100 pesos. Thank you. This is the famous Cloud9 boardwalk. Thank you. And it is brand new. It was built in 2022. The boardwalk was 300 meters long. The old one was destroyed by the typhoon in 2021. So they rebuilt the new one right now. Still it is not complete yet. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below and subscribe. That would be awesome. During the daytime it was a low tide, so you can see lot of rocky surface visible because of the low level of water. Be careful when you go down there because the rocky surface is very sharp. During the daytime, mostly they have a low tide. The water level will be low. This is how it looked like the previous boardwalk. That is also a very beautiful one. It has 3 levels and it was destroyed. The water was so clear and calm over here because it's low tide. This place famous for learning surfing. At the same time, hardcore surfer comes over here to surf. Balancing in the surfing board is not that easy, but you can learn in a couple of days. If you really want to appreciate the full beauty of this place, you should fly the drone. This place is very breathtaking and more beautiful when seen from the sky. It was a cloudy day, it's not a sunny, but still the footage is very good. If you come in the evening like 4 o'clock, it will be high tide, so the water will be nearby the beach. This is the sunset bridge. People used to go to this place to see the sunset. That is a beautiful sunset look. Is coming next video. Cloud9 and the sunset bridge is very nearby. You can walk over there. Here you can see there is a professional hardcore surfer. He's alone. There, the waves are very high and dangerous. Look at the beautiful boardwalk. This thing not yet complete yet. I will visit again soon when it completed. So this place called Cloud9 surfing area and the boardwalk. From here you can see your left hand side the sunset bridge on the corner. At the boardwalk entrance, people used to take their Instagram shot and selfie. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below and subscribe. That would be awesome.